How to turn off explicit content restrictions on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now for this, first of all, launch the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Spotify, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And as you do that, simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select on Settings and Privacy. As you tap on Settings and Privacy, select on Content and Display option. Now, here you get to see the option of allow explicit content. So if you want to turn off explicit content restrictions, you can simply toggle on this option, and that's how you can turn off the explicit content restrictions. So you can simply toggle off if you do not want, and you can toggle it on if you want to use the explicit content as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.